You've been learning English the wrong way your whole life. That's why you still don't understand native speakers. But today, no books, no grammar, just listen and you'll feel the difference. Hello everyone, this is Ayla. Welcome to episode 10. If you're new here, make sure to watch the previous episodes first because each lesson builds step by step.
Today is simple. No pressure, no studying. Just listen to English slowly and clearly. Trust the process. You will improve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily practice. Now, take a deep breath and listen. All right, are you ready? I have a question for you. Do you understand English when you read, but feel lost when people speak fast? If yes, you're not alone. Millions of learners feel the same way. And the reason is simple. You trained your eyes, but not your ears. So today, we fix that. Just listen. Don't translate, don't stress, just listen like a child. Let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. The air feels fresh and quiet. I take a deep breath and smile. Did you understand that? Good. Now listen again. I wake up early in the morning. The air feels fresh and quiet. I take a deep breath and smile. You see, slow English is easy. Now a little faster. I wake up early in the morning. The air feels fresh and quiet, and I take a deep breath and smile. How much did you catch? 50%? 70%? That's okay. Don't try to understand every word. Just catch the feeling. Let's continue. Every day, I practice English for just 10 minutes. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just 10 minutes.
But I stay consistent. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Say it in your mind. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Again, consistency is more powerful than intensity. Good. Now listen carefully. When you listen daily, your brain starts recognizing patterns. You don't translate, you understand. That is the goal.
Let me ask you something. Are you practicing every day or only when you feel motivated? Be honest, because real progress comes from daily practice, not motivation. Now, let's go deeper. I am sitting in a small coffee shop. People are talking, laughing, working on their laptops. I hear English all around me. At first, I don't understand everything, but slowly, word by word, it becomes clear. This is how learning works. Slow, natural, powerful. Now, listen again, a bit faster. I am sitting in a small coffee shop. People are talking, laughing, working on their laptops. I hear English all around me. At first, I don't understand everything, but slowly, word by word, it becomes clear. This is how learning works. Slow, natural, powerful. Now listen again, a bit faster. I'm sitting in a small coffee shop. People are talking, laughing, working on their laptops, and I hear English all around me. Did you feel the difference? This is your brain adapting. Stay with me. Don't leave this video, because at the end, I have a small surprise for you. Now, focus again. Perfect. You just need to keep going. Say it with me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Again, now a short story. A student wanted to speak English fluently. He studied grammar every day, but he still couldn't speak. Changed. He started understanding. After 2 months, his eyes. That student can be you. Yes, you. But only if you practice. Now, let's do one more listening. I go for a walk in the evening. The sky looks beautiful with orange and pink colors, and I feel calm and happy. Simple English, right? Now, faster. I go for a walk in the evening. The sky looks beautiful with orange and pink colors, and I feel calm and happy. You are improving. I can feel it. Now, tell me in the comments, how much did you understand? Be honest. And also write, I am improving. This is your commitment. Now listen carefully. Final part. English is not a subject. It is a skill. And skills are built with practice, not just knowledge. So from today, no study, just listen. Even 10 minutes a day is enough, but do it every day. Now, here is your surprise. Tomorrow, I will upload a special practice video where you will listen, repeat, and speak with me step by step. So make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe now and turn on the bell. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, because your support helps this channel grow and helps more people learn English easily. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep improving. Goodbye.